No agar-agar, no gelatin, this jiggly wiggly mango pudding. Super creamy and delicious with a divine taste of mango. Let's start. Start up by taking a mango, chop it finely, and blend it up in a mixer. Make sure to puree it completely without water. Now, when it's puree, add 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of corn flour or custard powder, whatever you have. Add milk around 1 cup, add it slowly and make sure there are no lumps in the mixture. Now put this in a pan and cook it until it gets thickens for around 5 to 6 minutes. Then put this in a mold and let it set in the fridge for 3 to 2 hours. Garnish it with mint leaves and enjoy the super delicious divine dessert for summers. Follow for more.